Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Lynn of Paper Piece. Tonight I am going to be doing some stenciling of some beautiful envelopes that I found. So let's get started. See how it turns out. It can't be too bad. It's not too bad. Look at that. Got a look, okay. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Yeah, I kind of like it. Just a little, I realize there's a little cleanup here, so that's a test. What I'm going to do is take a little second here and do some extra punching just to be certain I've got all these out so I can go a little faster with the other ones. See a few little pieces right here. I believe I'm gonna start making some of my own stencils too. All right, here we go again. I just want to be able to use this a little faster. So unfortunately, while I was stenciling, my grandson called me along with my son, and I didn't realize that the volume was still on. And so while I am working on these for a few minutes, I'm going to put on some nice little music while I'll speed through these, and I'll pick back up. After doing these, I decided to go ahead and distress them a little bit. I just felt like it would add to that really nice vintage look that I was looking for. And so this is where I am, finishing everything up. I'm so pleased with how these turned out. That pretty blushed pink envelope and the stencil being used randomly across it. Then me being able to distress it. I really am happy that it turned out with its vintage look. More importantly, I'm happy you stayed with me to watch the entire process. Thanks so much for tuning in.